So I got this solar garden light for my garden, and it has two items, so two solar garden lights in the park. It's made by Mageki, and yeah, so the brightness is supposed to be really bright. Right now it's nearly 8 a.m. and I was reading that when you're gonna first start testing it, you have to let the sunshine charge it up. So to assemble this, you have the panel right here, and then you have this other gadget. So we're gonna take this here and we're gonna put it through this panel, this hole. You want to take this screw and put this screw in here, and the screw is going to go through the panel. Once the screw goes through the panel and the stand, you have a small screw, and that small screw is what you're going to use, and you're going to screw this in. Now the spike area, you put that through the bottom like this, and that is how it will look. You put one over here, and you see it has a spike, so you can put it on the floor. You can also mount this on the wall. So one thing about this solar panel light, this solar light, is if you look at it, you are able to rotate it 360 degrees around. You are also able to turn the eye area, so you can rotate the eye area, move the eye area like that, so that it points to where you want the light to shine. And then you can also turn, there's a rotating thing right over here where you can turn it so that you can rotate the head, the panel itself. So the panel itself, you could move it around. So it's around 8:30 right now, even though it's not super dark. But if you look, I'm gonna show you this. So there's a on button right over here. So when you press the on button, you can see how bright the light is. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how bright it gets, and then I'll come back and show you when it's really dark outside how bright it gets. So this is still 8:30, the brightness. So you can see it's much darker now, and that's the light. You'll see it gives it a nice brightness, and then the one on this side, so you'll see how much brightness it gives it. So this is the view. You can see it does a good job brightening this entrance area.